Another great way to use Mentimeter is in a brainstorming or workshop setting. And the idea here is that you are able to bring a whole room together and gather the best ideas in that room. Super useful when starting off projects and making sure that you use the total collective intelligence in the room. So here I have a few example slides. I have my agenda. This is about some marketing initiatives in 2025. And then I have an icebreaker just to get everybody started. And then I have some background to the project that we're doing. These are just some example slides, but I have uploaded these from PowerPoint. In the sections below, you'll be able to see how to do that. And then I have my slide here. What marketing initiatives should we prioritize in 2025? And what I've done here is I've set this up so that people can vote on their responses. And this is where the magic of brainstorming really shows in Menti. Because not only will my participants be able to submit ideas, but will also be able to vote on them to see which ones are the best ones. So here I've turned this on, vote on responses, and I'm giving 3 votes per person. All right, let's go ahead and present it to see how it works. So we're going to pull up the QR code and I'm going to join. And then we can see here that we also get the image in the phone, which is really nice. And then we have our word cloud. How would you describe our brand? I'm going to put in a word here just to get everybody started. And then we have the market analysis. Again, here, placeholder slides just to get everybody on the same page. I like to mix interactive slides with information just so we really make sure that everybody's on the same page. And then we get to the brainstorming part. So here I'm able to add my marketing initiatives. And here I'm going to bring in some audience members in the crowd here just to add some initiatives. So I'm going to put in here. And now I have 10 responses. And before we vote on these, I'm just going to clean this up to make sure that we don't have any duplicates. So to do that, I'm going to press C to close the voting. So no more submissions. And then let's see here. We have marketing email campaigns and email campaigns. So I'm going to remove that one. And yeah, the rest seem pretty unique. So once I've done that, I'm going to press Enter to start the voting. And as we saw earlier, each participant will get 3 votes. So here it's time to prioritize the best ones. Going to add that one. And then, yeah, I believe in YouTube tutorials, so I'm going to put 2 on that one. Then I hit Submit. And I can see here I have voted. And now we can see that 2 people have voted, which, again, for the sake of the demo is enough. And then I'm going to click Enter, which shows the voting results. And here we can see that events and YouTube tutorials seem to be the hottest initiatives in 2025. By using Menti in this way, where you allow the participants to submit answers and then vote on them, is a quick and easy way to be able to filter out and to find the best ideas quickly. I recommend that you try this out the next time you need great ideas from your participants for an upcoming project. Link below as always.